Hello everyone, my name is Varun and welcome to my channel called All About Planning. And in this module, we'll be discussing about the strategic airport planning. With a series of videos, I'll be explaining many different concepts of strategic airport planning and its importance. And in this video today, I'll be giving a brief introduction towards the airport systems planning and how is it really important to plan our airport systems. The advances in the technology of air transportation have matched with the progressive reduction in its cost, and this has increased the air travel dramatically, and it is also projected to increase in the future. This has created a need for increasing the airport capacities in order to cater this increasing traffic. Earlier, the airports were planned in an ad hoc method, but as specifications of the successive generation aircraft became more specific and the volume of passengers and the cargo handled became more, there was a need of commonly accepted procedures to plan an airport. Therefore, a well-defined technical literature emerged which is supported by the organizations such as ICAO, which is International Civil Aviation Organization, and the United States Federal Aviation Administration emerged. However, the procedures and the guidelines largely focus on planning of the individual airports. The interaction between the airport and the whole airport system at a regional or a national level has been very less well defined, or even given very less importance. But over the last 3 decades, the need for planning the individual airports in an entire airport system has been more recognized. This has been driven by 2 main concerns. First one being the emergence of national and the state level funding programs for the development of the airports, which has to be systematically allocated between the eligible airports. And the second one being the multiple airport systems in one single city or a metropolitan area. The reason for this might also been the ever-increasing load of air traffic on a single airport in the city, or even metropolitan area being so large that the city has a need for multiple airports in order to cater the needs of the people and the city. In order to meet all these challenges, a strategic airport planning is really necessary, and planning the airport systems have to be addressed. Some system planning studies often use the term called as aviation system planning, which at a broader level and sometimes include the development of the airspace and also the concerns related to the air traffic control, which might not be of that importance in the module which we are going to discuss, that is the strategic airport planning, but it plays a really important role directly or indirectly on planning the entire airport systems, which is really important. The strategic airport planning is really important because it utilizes the resources effectively, and also it makes the transportation services and the whole transport system more better. The development of the airport planning consists of 2 main processes. First one being master planning, which is mainly concerned with the determination of the ultimate site capacity of an airport and also protecting it from the consequences such as ill considerations of many facilities or the future expansion too. The second one being the strategic system planning, wherein if there is a requirement for the increase in the capacity of an airport, or in deciding the overall capacity of an airport, the whole system-wide analysis is really important. Whether the desire for expansion is from an individual level, which is the bottom-up approach, or the desire to expand is from the national or the state level, which is the top-down approach. So the system planning or the strategic system planning is really important in order to plan an airport, as all of these interactions between the demand and the supply are too large to be ignored. In this video, I gave a brief introduction to strategic airport planning, and in the next video, I'm going to discuss about the evolving context of airport planning. Till then, if you like the video, please share it, and then for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.